Kasado na ang mga aktibidad ng Gilas Pilipinas bilang paghahanda sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandairel.
Philippines now, get it back.
Sa Hulyo na magkakaalaman kung makakapasok ang Gilas Pilipinas Men's National Basketball Team sa Olimpiada ngayong taon. Dalawang bigating European teams ang makakasagupa ng pambansang koponan sa Riga, Latvia. Kaya naman, magsisimula na ang pag-iensayo ng koponang binuo ni Coach Tim Cone sa June 27.
We will be competing in the Olympic Qualifier Tournament of FIBA, and we are grouped with the home team, Latvia and Georgia. So both powerhouses, but we're really looking forward to competing against them.
Pero hindi dyan matatapos ang schedule ng Gilas ngayong taon. Sa Nobyembre, magsisimula na ang Leg 2 ng 2025 FIBA Asia Cup Qualifying Tournament, kung saan magsisilbing host ang Pilipinas para sa dalawang qualifying games.
Whether we make it to the Olympics or not, we will also be preparing for our November window number 2 for our FIBA Asia qualifiers. And that would be 2 home games against New Zealand on November 21 and against Hong Kong on November 24. Both games will be played at the Mall of Asia Arena to give more fans a chance to watch the games live.
Samantala, kinumpirma ni Dee na mananatiling buo ang koponang inassemble ni Coach Cone.
We're sticking to Coach Tim's plan of having that 12-man roster. But because of the many injuries in the first window last February, we have learned from that, and so he has decided to name another 2 players as reserves, and these are Japet Aguilar and Mason Amos. So they are both committed to joining the Gilas team just in case we have injuries in the coming tournaments.
Sa Hunyo, tutungo rin ng Gilas sa Turkey upang sumailalim sa isang friendly game. Kasunod nito, dadako naman sila sa Poland para sa ikalawang tune-up game bago sila tumungo sa Latvia para sa pagsisimula ng torneo.
Proudly, Magandagabi.
Rafael Bandairel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.